first panel is the fire alarm panel. This panel consists of 4 tabs, each of which is responsible for selecting a specific category of equipment. When you select a category, a window for working with the database opens, where you can select hardware families from the database by setting search criteria. The search result is presented in the form of a list, where you can get acquainted with brief information on each family and on the size type, and follows a link to the technical documentation, technical description.